Welcome to Groninger, USA. We are a family-owned German company with locations in Schnelldorf and Krelsheim, Germany, and here at our beautiful facility on South Lakes Drive in Charlotte, North Carolina. We own 7 acres of open land adjacent to our current facility that sits on 5 acres. It's clear that we're planning to grow, and that's why we need you. The level of investment also expresses the aspirations of the owners and of Groninger USA. We always want to be second to none in our industry.
Hi, my name is Thomas Ray. Thanks for visiting with us today. Come on inside. I'd like to introduce our CEO, Heiner Dornberg. Heiner.
Thank you, Thomas. Welcome students, welcome parents. We are really excited and honored by your interest in Groninger USA. Come closer and we'll explain to you what we do. So Groninger USA is a manufacturer of specialized packaging machines. For 40 years we have perfected the art of filling and finishing products for 3 industries. The pharmaceutical industry, much talked about, particularly right now, the cosmetics industry, and consumer healthcare. So what specifically does that mean? The machines that we make and that we are actually famous for, we are considered one of the top 3 companies worldwide in our field, are actually made in Germany. Here in Charlotte, we provide the service. That means spare parts and parts to adapt a given machine to maybe today fill this product and tomorrow that one, which obviously requires some adaptation. So that's format parts. And we also provide the important field services to maintain our machines and to upgrade machines. So for the pharmaceutical industries, what our customers do is they fill things like these little vials. Such vials are now used for coronavirus vaccines in order to be able to distribute them really quickly. There will be multiple doses of a vaccine in such a vial. Or we fill syringes that can be directly used for the injection, and of course our customers do that, we make the machine. Now, if you want to have an example for how awesome our machines are, we can fill up to 1,000 of these syringes in 1 minute. That means 16.6 syringes each second, to be exact. But you didn't want to buy a machine from us, you actually wanted to learn if Groninger USA is a good place to work, and here, in the context of the apprenticeship, more specifically to learn and start a career. I totally think so, and I'll give you 3 main reasons. First, we are people-centered. Secondly, we are a company that always emphasizes learning. And thirdly, we have a lot of experience in our people, but also with our apprenticeship program. Thank you again for your interest, and we look forward to your application and to hopefully seeing you here in person soon.
To the right, you will find our after-sales area. Our after-sales department is a team of project coordinators who understand the customer's needs and efficiently manage their orders to assure timely delivery.
And now we're about to enter the apprenticeship room where the apprentices do their training. Follow me. Hi, Frank.
Thomas, how's it going?
Good. This is Frank Lau, Operations Manager here at Groninger USA. Frank, talk to us a little bit about why apprenticeship would be a great option for a young person.
Okay, well, there are several reasons, and we'll just get into a couple. I would say that the first is going to be you're getting college, you're getting hands-on training at no cost to you, and then you're also getting the opportunity to start a career in a company. You're doing a 4-year apprenticeship, so you're already learning the ropes, you're already gaining seniority, and really what's fun is now you get to build the things you read about in textbooks. So when you were in school, you were in science, you read about, oh, why is physics important? Why should I do certain things? So now you're connecting a lot of these dots, and you're actually putting your hands on more life-size robotics and your life-size machines. So you just have great opportunities to just further that path, and I think it's a great opportunity.
Thank you, Frank.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Let's go meet some of our other apprentices. So this is Cory Summers, one of our CNC machining apprentices. Cory, can you tell our audience a little bit about why you chose Apprenticeship Room?
Yeah, so at the time I had been working at a cashiering job, and I've been considering going back to school, but of course money's a big issue then. But my aunt at Siemens let me know about the apprenticeship opportunity and how awesome it is for schooling, so it just seemed like the perfect chance to do both.
Thanks, Cory. Well, let's head over to the assembly side of the hall. Hey guys, this is Weir. He's our assembly lead, and here's Kevin Hickey, one of our mechatronics apprentices. Hey Kevin, could you tell the audience a little bit about why you chose apprenticeship at Groninger?
So I chose apprenticeship at Groninger because after high school, I was given the option between this or college, and I was really interested in the manufacturing field. And I felt like this was going to give me more of an opportunity and experience rather than going to just traditional 4-year university. And I honestly, this is a really great choice that I decided to make, because I got a lot of hands-on experience, and that's the best way to learn this type of stuff, because you get a lot of theory and stuff at school, but actually the practical application is very important.
Apprenticeship at Groninger USA is a great opportunity to receive specialized training, a college degree, credentials, and a guaranteed job. Groninger's apprenticeship program consists of on-the-job training in a clean, safe, and highly technical environment, paired with related instruction consisting of coursework at CPCC. Additional coursework at UNCC is required for the engineering tracks. All apprentices rotate through the various departments at our company as we recognize the growth potential of every employee. This year we are seeking 6 apprentices to train into areas of mechatronics, CNC machining, mechanical engineering, automation, and business administration. Our outstanding programs prepare candidates well and offer many opportunities to travel, train, problem solve, and apply their skills while providing a scalable wage, all leading to a guaranteed position with the company. Once accepted, apprentices are afforded all the same benefits as any other employee of Groninger USA. So if you like math and science, enjoy using your brain and your hands, have attention to detail, always strive for quality work, and can work independently or as part of a team, Groninger USA would be a great fit for you. Now that we've seen the hands-on environment in the manufacturing and assembly hall, let's head upstairs and meet Jenny in the engineering environment. Jenny is one of our engineering apprentices. Hi, Jenny. This is Jenny Down. She's our mechanical engineering technology apprentice. Jenny, can you tell the audience a little bit about why you chose apprenticeship here at Groninger?
Hi everyone, my name is Jenny, and the main reason why I chose to become an apprentice is because of the you get on-the-job training and you get your entire school paid for. So at Groninger, they pay everything regarding school with tuition, textbooks, all the fees, and they pay us to go to school as well as provide on-the-job training. So whatever we learn at school, we can directly apply here at work, and you get real-life job training, which is super important as you move on in your career. One of the best parts about working here at Groninger is the environment, and so whenever I was onboarded, I was learning things as we moved forward, but I always had the support of my fellow engineers and just all of my coworkers. They were all super helpful and super supportive. The environment is a very safe, very clean, and very friendly environment. Another cool thing about working here at Groninger is that because we are a German company, there is a lot of learning about the language and the culture going on, and so some of the programs that we use here have a lot of German documents, and then some that are translated in English, but you get exposed to the language and the culture, which is another benefit.
With our exciting training opportunities, including travel and departmental rotation, comprehensive on-the-job training and education at Central Piedmont Community College and beyond, it's no wonder Groninger USA's apprenticeship program is second to none. We help shape well-rounded, confident individuals who can get the job done whether working independently or as part of a specialized group. We're a big family and a great successful team here at Groninger USA.
Thank you for visiting Groninger USA. We look forward to meeting you soon.